Here's Jack the dog. Hey! Today, I want to get started on the Z. I think it's about time I wipe it down. Collecting a good amount of dust. Just took most of the stuff out the back. You need to clean this up. I got a heavy project to do here. You can see a lot of Bondo and rust. The previous owners had just a metal plate just slapped here with Bondo just covering it. It wasn't even welded in, nothing, just Bondoed over. So I got some work ahead of me there. But as the inside, pretty much all stripped. Got the air suspension kit, waiting on a couple pieces still, but right now the goal for today is probably jack up the car, put on jacks, take the wheels off, and possibly take out the old struts, because that needs to go. Gonna wipe down the car also, get it all nice and clean. I see the neighborhood cats have gotten on my car, and that's very upsetting. Well, what can you do? But the goal today, wipe down, clean up both these cars, because that is a mess. I've gone too long without cleaning this car. It is filthy. Look at that. Can't get a break. And he's too friendly with cats. He just loves to go play with them, which is good. He was raised around a bunch of kittens, so he's super chill with cats. Jack, you're a big guy. How's it going? Just took a bath today, all nice and white. Got him tied there, so he's got some space so he can roam around. But yeah, there we go. The project car and the daily. Which, as soon as this running again, this will probably be the daily and then project car. But I can't wait to be driving this thing around again. But definitely needs to get wiped down today. What a sight. Yep. Trying to figure out where I want to put the tank. I don't know if I want to have it as far back to the taillights as I can, or if I can make it fit here, right behind the seat. I mean, it fits. I already put it here earlier and it fit pretty good. Just figuring out how to wire everything is going to be the difficult part. But hopefully we can get some sort of progress done today. At least get the car cleaned, looking good again. So that's the goals for today. What are your goals today, Father?
I told you, I'm just going to take the struts off. We're going to see what it's going to take to take the struts off. You're going to clean everything up. Why is there cap prints on your hood?
I was saying about that right now. It's all over my other car too.
Well, how are they on there?
Because the tarp's been off.
The tarp's been off?
Yeah.
All this time?
All this time.
That's not good.
Yeah. New rubber. Looking old though, looking all dirty. Definitely got a lot of work ahead. So I'll probably cut the video here and then make another video, probably time lapse of everything. Alright, time to get started.